Hello everybody, in this video you will see the 20 most visited cities in 2023. Please watch till the end as you will be surprised about the cities. Please write in the comments below your city which you would like to visit this year. In meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hong Kong, a bustling metropolis on China's southern coast, is a vibrant fusion of east and west. Nestled by the South China Sea, its towering skyline and bustling markets define urban energy. One must-visit attraction is Victoria Peak, offering panoramic views of the city's skyline and Victoria Harbour. This dynamic city captivates with its cultural richness, culinary delights, and a mix of modern and traditional experiences. Bali, a tropical paradise in Indonesia, enchants with its lush landscapes and rich cultural tapestry. Situated in Southeast Asia, Bali is known for its pristine beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and terraced rice paddies. One must-visit attraction is the Uluwatu Temple, perched atop dramatic cliffs, offering breathtaking ocean views and traditional Kecak dance performances against the stunning Balinese sunset. Palma de Mallorca, nestled in the Balearic Islands of Spain, is a Mediterranean jewel. The capital city offers a delightful blend of history and seaside charm. Located in the western Mediterranean, Palma is renowned for its Gothic cathedral, Lascaux. This architectural masterpiece overlooks the sea, with its stunning rose window and intricate details, making it a must-see attraction in this coastal paradise. Barcelona, situated on the northeast coast of the Iberian Peninsula, is the vibrant capital of Catalonia, Spain. Known for its rich history and unique architecture, one standout attraction is the Sagrada Familia. Antoni Gaudi's masterpiece, this basilica showcases stunning Art Nouveau design, making it an iconic symbol of Barcelona and a must-visit destination on the Mediterranean. Milan, Italy's fashion and design capital, sits in the country's northern Lombardy region. Home to iconic fashion houses and historic landmarks, Milan radiates cultural sophistication. One prominent attraction is the magnificent Gothic cathedral, Milan Cathedral, Duomo di Milano. Its intricate spires and breathtaking views from the terrace make it a symbol of Milanese grandeur, drawing visitors from around the world. Pattaya, a vibrant coastal city in Thailand, lies on the Gulf of Thailand's eastern coast. Renowned for its lively beaches and nightlife, Pattaya offers a dynamic escape. One iconic attraction is the Sanctuary of Truth, an intricate wooden temple celebrating traditional Thai craftsmanship. Set against the backdrop of the sea, it's a cultural gem and a testament to Thailand's rich architectural heritage. Phuket, Thailand's largest island, is situated in the Andaman Sea. Known for its stunning beaches, lush landscapes, and vibrant nightlife, Phuket is a tropical paradise. A must-visit attraction is the Big Buddha, a majestic 45-meter-tall marble statue overlooking the island. This iconic landmark, surrounded by panoramic views, offers a spiritual and cultural experience for visitors exploring the beauty of Phuket. Makkah, also spelled Mecca, is a sacred city in Saudi Arabia, located in the western part of the country. Renowned as Islam's holiest city, Makkah houses the iconic Kaaba, encased within the Grand Mosque. The Grand Mosque, Al-Masjid al-Haram, is a spiritual focal point for Muslims worldwide, and the destination for the annual Hajj pilgrimage, attracting millions of devotees each year. Osaka, Japan's vibrant city, is situated in the Kansai region on Honshu Island. Known for its culinary delights and historic landmarks, one must-see attraction is Osaka Castle. This iconic fortress, surrounded by cherry blossoms in spring, stands tall in Chuo-ku. Its impressive architecture and historical significance make it a cultural gem, attracting visitors from around the world. Seoul, the bustling capital of South Korea, is situated in the northwest of the country. A dynamic metropolis blending modernity and tradition, one prominent attraction is Gyeongbokgung Palace. Nestled in the heart of the city, the palace showcases exquisite Joseon-era architecture and is surrounded by beautiful gardens. Visitors can experience the rich history of Korea while exploring this iconic cultural gem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like the content. Antalya, a stunning coastal city in southwestern Turkey, rests along the Mediterranean. Known for its captivating beaches and rich history, a must-visit attraction is Hadrian's Gate. This ancient triumphal arch, built to honor Emperor Hadrian, stands as a magnificent entrance to the old city of Antalya. Its intricate architecture and historical significance offer a glimpse into the city's fascinating past. Tokyo, the bustling capital of Japan, is situated on the eastern coast of Honshu Island. A vibrant metropolis blending tradition and modernity, one iconic attraction is the historic Senso-ji Temple. Located in Asakusa, it is Tokyo's oldest temple and a cultural landmark. The temple's Thunder Gate, Nakamai's shopping street, and stunning architecture make it a must-visit destination for travelers. Istanbul, a city straddling Europe and Asia, is positioned on the Bosporus Strait's northwest edge. This cultural crossroads boasts a rich history. A standout attraction is the Hagia Sophia, a marvel of Byzantine architecture turned mosque and museum. Its grand dome, stunning mosaics, and historical significance make it a symbol of Istanbul's diverse heritage. New York, a global icon, is situated in the northeastern United States. Renowned for its towering skyline and cultural vibrancy, a must-visit attraction is Times Square. Nestled in Midtown Manhattan, it's the epicenter of entertainment, adorned with neon lights, theaters, and bustling crowds. Times Square's energy, Broadway shows, and iconic billboards make it a quintessential New York experience. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's bustling capital, is located on the west coast of Peninsular Malaysia. Known for its modern skyline and rich cultural heritage, a standout attraction is the Petronas Towers. These iconic twin towers dominate the cityscape, offering panoramic views from the observation deck. Surrounded by lush parks and vibrant neighborhoods, Kuala Lumpur seamlessly blends tradition with contemporary urban allure. Singapore, a modern city-state, is situated at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula. An architectural marvel and key attraction is the Gardens by the Bay. Located in the heart of the city, these futuristic gardens feature the iconic Supertree Grove, Cloud Forest, and Flower Dome. The Gardens by the Bay epitomize Singapore's commitment to blending nature with cutting-edge urban design. Dubai, a dazzling city in the United Arab Emirates, is located on the southeast coast of the Arabian Peninsula. A remarkable attraction is the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest skyscraper. Piercing the skyline, this architectural masterpiece offers an observation deck with panoramic views. Dubai's luxurious malls, desert safaris, and modern wonders make it a global destination for opulence and innovation. London, the dynamic capital of the United Kingdom, is situated in the southeastern part of England. A quintessential attraction is the iconic Tower Bridge. Spanning the River Thames, this engineering marvel combines history and functionality. Its drawbridge mechanism and panoramic views from the high-level walkways make it a symbol of London's architectural prowess and a must-see destination for visitors. Paris, the romantic capital of France, is located in the north-central part of the country. A timeless attraction is the Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of the city. This wrought iron masterpiece stands on the Champ de Mars, offering breathtaking views from its observation decks. With its elegant design and historical significance, the Eiffel Tower remains a beacon of Parisian charm and allure. And the most visited city in the world in 2023 is Bangkok. Bangkok, the vibrant capital of Thailand, is situated in the central part of the country. An unmissable attraction is the Grand Palace, a dazzling complex with ornate temples and royal residences. Adorned with intricate details and vibrant colors, the Grand Palace is a cultural gem. Visitors can explore its opulent halls and the sacred Wat Phra Kaew, home to the revered Emerald Buddha. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next video.